Hi, it's Kathy Van Wert, your East Valley Phoenix Realtor, and today I'm back at Tapestry at Destination in Southeast Mesa. As I said before, it's super convenient to the 202. It's a booming area, and they've got some beautiful homes in this Toll Brothers community. So I'd really like to show you another model in here, this time a two-story model. It's a little bit larger than the last one that I featured here on my channel. And let me know what you think in the comments. Here we have the Toll Brothers Upland model. It's a two-story home with 2936 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a 3-car garage. Let's take a look at it. Come right in here to the main room first. Check out the kitchen. We've got, looks like a little butler's pantry back here. The garage entrance there. Could be like a little mud room when you first come in and drop your stuff there. You can see everyone's backpacks and shoes and coats going right there. And we got the pantry over here. Let's peek outside. Nice. They've got it set up like a great entertaining area. They've also got a little chalkboard and sand area over there for the kids. TV, barbecue area, beautiful pool, covered patio. Very nice. I like what they did back there. This is your dining area with the living area. Got some chairs set up there for some bar eating. There is a bedroom on the lower floor, which is very nice when you have a two-story home to have at least one option for the bottom floor if you have someone who has a tough time with the stairs. So we've got a full bath here. Shower, vanity, window up there. And we've got what I think would make a fantastic guest room or bedroom for anybody, like I said, that wants to be on the lower level. Then we'll head upstairs to, actually, before we do that, I didn't open this door. Oh, here we go. Closet. Like your coat closet. For those who come in the front door. All right, let's head upstairs. There we go. A good size loft up here. And then we've got the laundry room right at the top of the stairs. A nook here with some extra storage space. And we've got the primary bedroom. This house has a lot of windows, which I really like. Even in the toilet room. Nice size closet. We should check out the view while we're up here, huh? Let's see what we got. Got some mountain views. Let's see what other bedrooms we got up here. Here we've got another really nice large closet for storage. Lots of storage here. Bathroom right next to that. Double vanity, full tub, shower. More windows. If you like natural light, you're gonna love this floor plan. Got 2 more bedrooms over here. Here's the last bedroom. I'm running into stuff. My purse just hit the desk. Oh, here's some more mountain views. Now we got the superstitions over here. Very nice. I'd want to have a patio up here so I could look out on the mountains. They should make that an option, don't you think? Thank you for watching my tour. And if you're interested in touring one of these models or in finding out what kind of incentives are available right now, just reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. There are incentives right now for these Toll Brothers models, and they change all the time. So depending when you're seeing this video, just reach out to me and I'll let you know what the current incentives are. Reach out with any questions, give me a comment. Please like and subscribe to this channel. It helps me to continue to make content for you. And I appreciate your support, and we'll see you on the next one.